Hello and welcome to our video. My name is John Watts. I'm a foreclosure defense lawyer in the state of Alabama. And here's what we want to talk about today. Is there any way to have a judge actually look at and make a ruling on whether or not a foreclosure should happen in Alabama? Or do you just have to allow what's called a non-judicial foreclosure? So let me take a step back. In Alabama, 99.99% of all foreclosures are non-judicial. Means a judge never looks at your situation, never approves the foreclosure. The mortgage company says, we decide that you're in default. We decide that it's appropriate to foreclose on. And then they just foreclose. They have a guy stand at the courthouse steps and he auctions off your property. And it's over. And so no judge has ever looked at it. Now in Florida, for example, if they want to foreclose, a mortgage company has to sue you and serve you, make their arguments to the judge, present evidence, and then the judge decides whether or not it should be foreclosed or not foreclosed. That is a judicial foreclosure. So are you just completely out of luck in Alabama? You just have to decide on the honesty, what a joke, the honesty of these mortgage companies to decide, oh, yes, we have determined that you have no valid defense to our foreclosure. Well, that's crazy to do that. So here's the solution. You have to read your mortgage or get with a lawyer to read your mortgage. But typically your mortgage will say you have the right to have any defenses heard to the foreclosure and to have that heard in court. Now a lot of people, they get that, they read it, they go, oh, see, mortgage company has to sue me. Judicial foreclosure. No, not true in Alabama. If you want your defenses heard, you have to take action. You have to go sue your mortgage company in state court. I guess you could do it in federal court, but no, these are normally done in state court, Alabama state court. And you say to the judge, hey, look, judge, I have some defenses. Here are my defenses. I want my defenses heard by you. In other words, you want that judge to look at your defenses and decide, weigh the evidence, weigh the law, decide, is it appropriate or is it inappropriate to foreclose? So what you have done, if you do this in the right way, at the right time, the right type of lawsuit, and you either know what you're doing or you get the right lawyer knows what he or she is doing, what that does is it transforms your non-judicial foreclosure in effect into a judicial foreclosure. So now you have a judge looking at this. So this is not the only option to stop a foreclosure, but I tell you what, it is 1,000,000 times better than bankruptcy. And you have a total of 5 options, so 4 other options. We cover those in different articles and videos. But just understand this. You may have the option to sue your mortgage company so those defenses can be heard. So a judge can look at those and decide, should your mortgage company foreclose or should they be denied the opportunity to foreclose on you? So if you're in Alabama, you're facing a foreclosure, just pick up the phone, give us a call, 205-879-2447. You can speak to Randy. She's our paralegal over foreclosures. She'll get your information. We'll talk. We'll evaluate the options and then let you know what we believe the best course of action is for you and tell you the pros and the cons of every course of action. So if we can help you, just call us 205-879-2447 or you can reach us through alabamaconsumer.com. Thanks a lot.